last or not. Damn, who came all over that thing? Jeez, filthy. See you again. Alright. Hey, switch lost and used. Looks good to me. Temperature compensation. My bag's giving up after 40 years. Damn plastic bags. Don't make them very good anymore. Oh yeah, we got a lot of honing to do. 3,000 plus. Pretty round too. Better than S&S, brand new. Then Harley. Like this. Okay, shaft. What size is your shaft?
So that's a very personal question.
All right, it is. It is. Ooh, it's big. More honing. Bastards. What the hell are they making on size for? Usually make them undersized so you hone it to the clearance is built in. In this case, they didn't. That's 8. That's 8. It's 2/10 undersize. So we have to hone more over. So we just add more clearance. Okay. Now, we got some nice genuine Harley undersized bearings here. We got some genuine standard undersized bearings. We got some rusty wheel bearings. These were -2, but used them. Those, we don't know what the hell they are. Okay. Do you like Harley?
Those are quality.
Yeah.
So can you tell by the print about what generation those are? What year those are?
The date's right on them.
Oh, is it? What's it say? Oh yeah.
10 of 90. 10 of 90. 10 of 90. What year do you want?
10 of 90.
10 of 90. I have those. So how old does that make them? How old does that make them?
It's 25, 35 years. Holy crap. I don't know, not quite. 24 plus.
Well, from 65 to 90, how many years is that?
Oh, 65. Yeah, 25.
Okay, and then from 90 to 25?
50.
35 years.
Oh, 30. Okay.
So they're closer to original than they are to new shit.
Yeah.
That's how I look at it.
I wonder who made them.
More likely, probably a Prolux in Milwaukee, because it was 1990, not from 2000. Not from Japan, Taiwan time frames, or German or whoever. Probably bearings are probably made overseas, over in Europe, would be my guess, but who knows? I think we made anywhere. Okay, but do we have enough? If we don't have 28, it doesn't help us any. 2, 4, 6, 8. There's only 10 to a bag.
Unopened bags?
Yep.
Alright. I mean, how many? 28 you said?
Yep.
Just enough.
This is enough. We can go with this one.
You can lose 2.
We can go with this one.
Yeah.
Like I marked them before you even took them out. Probably should have marked them, the ones I already used. Alright. Anyway, Harley. Let's see what they did. Let's see here. Get a good mic out. Yeah, they are on size. If anything, they're +1. But they have goo on them. They got sprayed. Cleaning time. Smells like grape clean. What's up with that? Doesn't smell like grape clean in here. Clean towel to clean them off. Alright, now what do we got? 0. Bastards. On that other size. 0. That sucks. Bastards. Plastic bag. Too hard to clean these. That one says ±1. What's that mean? It goes both ways? So it says +1 on it. They'll suck, they're standard. Okay, we need some undersized stuff. Let's go see what these are. There we go. That's under. That's more like it. Oh. If it's a dog or a child, which one is it?
Monkey could be either way.
Let's see, these are only 24 in here. This is 40 to 54. Short some. What's up with that? Up and down of town. That one's real small. Didn't need that one. That's a small one. Some are 2/10 under, some are 1/10 under. In between. You didn't think these all were going to be the same size, did you?
Oh, it's open.
Oh. Yeah, they're all pretty close. That one's slightly bigger, but we go with an average around here. 1 to 2 under. There's a 1. 0 2 under there. 200 saves us 4/10 of honing.
Yep.
These days, 2/10 under is standard. They don't make anything on standard anymore. Hey, don't that pile. It's a Harley pile. Don't mix Harley with these. They're different. Batter. You get to the back of the bag. First, you get the bag to open up. That can be interesting. Yeah. Have I done that before?
I think so.
Boom. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I like 10 better than 9. Okay, so these all +1, not -1. Plus. Confuse me. So I only need 4 more of those. Oh, look at that. 2, 2, 2. Not the normal size, undersize. Yeah. Pretty far under. Alright, that'll work. Now if we have enough, we fill up the whole container. Some people think these things are all the same size and they just turn it to a particular size and they call it done. Like Harley and S&S and companies like that. They don't give a crap. And they wonder why things fail because the clearances are all screwed up. Plus they can't make a hole round either, so that just equalizes it.
We don't want them to last too long.
If it's good 50% of the time, it must be accurate, right?
That's right.
Oh, look at that. Somebody can count.
Beautiful.
Alright. What size we need to hone to?
The correct size.
Nice. We lost 3 there, we lost 2 there, that's 5 down. We want 1 thou clearance, that's a half up. So half up and 0 is where we're going home to. Got that?
As long as you have it.
Just gave you all the numbers. -3, -2, plus 1 equals +5. The 1 with 1 thou, not 1/10.
Mm.
So we're going to hold it until it's 5 on this side, not negative side. Then we're starting at what number? Oh yeah, 3 down, which is 30. We got to hone it all the way over to here. The plus number right over in that area. Or somewhere in there, we're 5 to 7. That's where I hone to. Then when you cool it off and clean it, it shrinks too. Unless you give it extra, then it doesn't shrink. It'll do that too on you. Just to make it interesting. Well, give me that dirty rag on the light. I'll trade you. Okay, we'll be back in a minute.